Hey traders, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to look at New Zealand dollar and USD analysis. Since yesterday, after the price confirmed this pattern, we can see that it is coming close to the support area. On a bigger time frame that we are looking at, since at the beginning of February, price is moving within this zone for approximately 3 months now. 4 months, sorry, because this is the beginning of February. The chances are high that we may see the price to increase again from the technical perspective. However, we have to wait and to see how the price will react here. The problem is that we are not facing only the technical perspective, but for the moment the price is moving down because of Bank of New Zealand interest rate decision. I will explain this shortly. And the second point that is very important is the US debt ceiling. So as long as they are still discussing about this problem, it may create also strange things and the price can continue moving down without stopping at all. This is why we have to wait and to see the price reaction here. Related with today's topic, Bank of Australia, the Reserve Bank of Australia, increased the interest rate by 25 basis point to 5.5. It was 5.25. Usually, it should impact the related currency, New Zealand dollar, in a positive way and not in negative way. However, as we have seen, we are living strange times, so they are increasing the interest rates, but on the other hand, the currency is moving down. So when they are going to decrease the interest rates, I don't think that the currency will increase and to create the opposite movement. However, from their monetary policy statement, the only thing that I found, let's say, a bit dovish was the forecast that was negative about GDP growth for the second and third quarter of 2023. However, all the countries are forecasting negative GDP growth. So this is not something new in this situation where all the big countries, all the big economies are suffering this problem, and it doesn't make sense for New Zealand dollar and USD dollar to move down further in this way. However, this is market, we just have to accept it, and we can see for buy opportunities near the end of the zone. Also, it was positive the fact that they are expecting the inflation rate to slow down during the coming months. So we didn't have anything, let's say, negative at all in all of this or in their statement. Everything was as expected. They only posted the GDP growth and the inflation rate that will slow down. So let's see what is going to happen. We have to wait for the price to react near the zone, and later we can take any decision. So I hope you guys enjoyed the analysis. Please don't forget to hit the like button and follow, and be careful with this trade because this is not easy at all this time. Thank you. Bye bye.